So let's do it till you come home. Take home, I see your heart, let's go. Hey! She's got okay lang ba kayo? Excited ba kayo? You're looking good, like you should. You're so fine, don't you love me by my side? So good, oh baby. You're so fine, don't you love me by my side? Maraming salamat po! Wow! Thank you very much. Please young guys right here. Maraming salamat po. Alam niyo po, excited na po kami. Alam niyo ba kung nandito, kung sino ang nandito ngayon para sa inyo? Kasama ko dito, si Kay Brosas. Kasama ko rin dito, Angeline Quinto. Mr. Jed Mandela. We have Vina Morales. Ay yung kamukha ko, Jericho Rosales. Sarap mangarap din eh, no? May isa pa, kagrupo ko, kakanto boys ko, Mr. John Lloyd Cruz. Wow! Excited na kayo? Wala po, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo dito ngayon. First of all of us are very excited to come here to Canada. First time ko po dito sa Calgary.